I do attack. Facts. Yes, man, give me a chance, no boss. Give me a chance when we talk to the woman real quick. If the people them want cuss them cussing them, bro.
See the fans them a big problem too.
Why you say that?
I tell you the truth, brother.
Alright, let me tell you exactly on the match what's going on. The man them are ball watching.
Whisper no or no?
I would put him on.
What do you think we can do to improve our performances in those upcoming games in October?
Drop Liam Bailey. Alright.
So your people, follow me, make we find somebody else to talk to it. No man, if the people them want cuss them cussing them, bro. Live your life. We not stop nobody from express themselves. Cause sometimes me myself feel like I don't want to cuss, but I don't want to lose a little work. But only can cuss, you see me anyways. How you feel about the game?
Boy, I side now play good at all, you know. Upset man, me cross. Miserable. I'm taking off because come off I feel right now. You know, you might waste people time on. They put down the young star, man. We need Bill John and Whisper with Charles, man. One Whisper we say.
Alright, so obviously there's a lot of things going wrong on the field right now.
The midfield is come off.
The midfield, that's the biggest reason, sir?
You know what me have to say? You know what me have to say? As a bigs, you know what I have to say as a bigs? You see the fans them a big problem too.
Why you say that?
I tell you the truth, brother, the fans them a big. The fans them a big problem too.
Right, so what the fans them supposed to do?
Them used to a certain type of football, and see, anytime them don't see it in a perfection out there, them go on with them antics.
So yeah.
The man them a human being out there, so too, brother.
So yeah, so the fans them need for.
Listen up, we pay our money come out for what?
Then no
proper football.
So what?
We have a bag of English based player out there.
We are not fans.
Nothing go on.
We not bond up with them playing. Play too slow.
Man, they play too slow.
Alright, what me I say?
Man, they change. Man, they take control of the game and dominate the game.
Alright, so alright. So what do you think needs to change?
The culture need to change on the football.
Right?
Alright, let me tell you exactly on the match what's going on. The man them are ball watching. Right? When somebody gets the ball, everybody is running and looking at the ball and not looking around them where the players are. Then them love to back off. Then not stand them ground, sticking at toe. Simple thing like that, you know. Right? So the man them not hungry, them weak. Billy a ballerina right now. A drop down on the field.
So what do we have to do in the next 45 minutes in order to turn it around and get it right?
First of all, act like we want to go forward and not side to side and back.
Do you think Jamaica has it in them? Or do you think we have it in us to get it across the line to even get a point out of this game?
Look around this, so I am hoping, you know, but the vibe and energy I'm getting is not that. But I am hoping, I'm staying hopeful. We're down 2 love. And we're getting chances and we're not putting them away. Let's see what can happen.
People, I would have right us beside a standout Kingston College athlete, you know, a veteran as young as he is. Back in the Manning Cup again. First of all, how is the season so far, Walla?
Going good so far.
Alright, so we're there to watch the game, obviously. What do you think needs to change in the second half that's about to start?
Just the two language, some of the two say much of the first half, but you can link back after the game.
And we know say you have your former teammate playing. Do you want to see him introduced to the game?
Yeah, I think you have 2 in the bag.
Alright. Same thing, Whisper have 2 in the bag.
Ready?
You know, we haven't spoken to a lady all day. And there's a woman right here, she's a bit reluctant to speak. But we know some people that want to hear from her, so we're going to force it out her, right? Make sure get our picture them taken first. No, but and we have the first gentleman, free world boss. So that's a free world boss. Come give me a chat then, Mr. World Boss. That's enough.
World Boss?
Yeah. Alright, so
what is about World Boss right now?
What is it about right now?
Jamaica beating Haiti.
So you think so we still can beat Haiti after that start?
What you mean, man? Never give up. Never say never.
Alright, so tell me, how do you feel about that first half? Because we never really playing a ball now. Tell me how you feel.
I never here, you know. I just reach.
Oh, you just reach?
Yeah.
Well, say, you're a good stronger than for them one.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so how are we going to be better in the second half? What Jamaica?
Who them I get, man? Them not score no more. What the goal them?
Who you think are scoring in the second half?
We can't predict that. Where we get goal?
Alright, let us see. Let us see. We hear talk so much, man. Alright, so who are you here to support? Which one of the ball you come for watch?
Whisper. I'm the only person they don't have on the field.
So you think so if when Whisper comes on?
I think if Whisper is on the field, we're definitely going to get a goal.
Alright, so I know that Whisper will be coming on, right? Matter of fact, he might be coming on right now. How soon after he comes on do you think he's going to score?
He only need 5 minutes. Just give him 5 minutes.
But last game he got about 60 and he never scored.
And he was the first one to take an attempt to the goal in the first game. He didn't get a chance to score because they take him off. And if you check the first game, they weren't giving him any ball. Leon Bailey and my ball still no, but Leon Bailey was the only one who was looking for him and giving him a ball.
Alright, so people, this woman said that she don't know nothing about football. And all me here do talk facts. Yes, man, give me a chance, no boss. Give me a chance when we talk to the woman real quick. So she said she don't know nothing about the ball game, but people, it sounds like she know one will leave. So we're continue to pressure her brain. So you say Whisper got score. In the first half, besides the fact that there's no Whisper on the field, what else do you think Jamaica is doing wrong?
The first thing is that we don't have any midfield. The number 15 and the 16 need to be out. There's no midfield. So whenever the ball reaches defense, it's a problem to get it to the forwards. The person in the forward. Nicholson should have missed a goal there a while ago. That was a clear and perfect goal. That's the purpose of training. Even if you get shub or you're even tired, you should score that goal. So that's a whole bad problem. But the midfield need to go. So if we get a change for the midfield, we have a better game. Take out Nicholson and put in Whisper.
That's the fact. Alright, so last night, right? Last night me and Rush, we were doing a live. That's my colleague. And he was like, you would start Nicholson, whatever. And I said, bro, it has to be the number 14. It has to be Whisper. And he must say, no, Nicholson. Right? Your thing is, Whisper should be interjected, right? But talking about the 2 goals that we conceded, like what went wrong?
Well, the problem, as I said, the problem was from midfield. So you realize when the Asian got the ball, he drives straight to our goal. That's the problem with Jamaica. The ball cannot pass the defense. So once he leave out of the defense, it's either kick straight up to the goal and outside. No midfield. Once we replace the midfield, change in the game. Take off Nicholson and give a Whisper. Total change in the game. Trust me.
Take off Nicholson and bring a Whisper. People right now come in like say she deserve a job on this side of Sports TV. Because she analysed the football better than Rush. But I never really mean so that still. Watching the people, we'll move on. We're going to try and find somebody else. It's half time. Obviously the mood is not as bad as I thought it would be. Is it a case where Jamaica has gotten so accustomed to losing? I'm not sure. Brandon, we could find somebody else to talk to. We could take a walk. I want to do a quick interview real quick.
Right now.
Yeah, right now. Alright people, we're here again with another fan. But this is not any ordinary fan. This is a man that is well renowned in the Jamaican football sphere, right? We've seen him at Arnett Gardens, we've seen him at Champion College, and now, coincidentally, we're seeing him here in the bleachers at the National Nations League game, Jamaica versus Haiti. First of all, talking about the first half, coach.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I talk about defensive discipline where you have to be able to attack with a certain security behind you. And I think we have too many defenders that, or even defensive-minded players that don't have that discipline to take pride in. My job is to make sure we keep it tight in the back, even though we might be a team that is more on the forefront, more on the forefoot for the match. And yeah, it's just a shame that we can't put it in up top, and that we don't have that discipline in the back. And now you're losing 2-0 at halftime.
All right, so you talk about defensive discipline, right? Pinpoint the 2 goals that were scored. What do you think directly led to those two goals?
You know, I don't want to go into too much because, you know, from the fans' perspective, you have everybody around just say things, but I definitely think once as a centre back you get caught higher up the field and you lose the ball over there, you're already now chasing the game. You're trying to delay to get back in your organization, and you never really want to be out of your organization in the first place. So that is something that I think when I look back at that one where Damian Lowe in particular have to do better.
All right, we're down 2, right? But football is played in 2 halves. The defensive half and the attacking half. Speak to us about what is going wrong attackingly. Why haven't we gotten a goal yet?
I mean, I see that individually there is talent. There is moments where Damari Gray, where Leon Bailey have moments where you hope on more. But I'm not sure how they're connecting right now. I'm not sure if it's Shamar Nicholson that come in that might not have that chemistry maybe that we saw more with the whisper, with the movement. He is a quality player. I mean, the chance we saw him miss at the end, I think a player of his caliber, you want him to get it out to everybody on the team. So it's a little bit about sharpness up top. You know, I don't know after the win last time, maybe they get comfortable in front of the home crowd, but it's that sharpness that we have to have because the quality is there. I think Bobby Reid needs to be a little bit more present in the game. We don't have seen too much of him, but yeah, we have it there. I see maybe a personnel change can change it a little bit, but we have to do better there.
I was just about to ask, second half starts in about 7 minutes. What do we do to come back in this game? And do we have 3 goals in us to win it?
I mean, I think we always have it at any given time. You know, football is like, I was just talking about it with a friend of mine, and I said, well, I have to score early. If you reach the 60th minute mark and it's still 2-0, Haiti is going to sit back more. You're going to get more impatient, play more long ball. So I think it's crucial that the first 10 to 15 minutes we're able to put pressure and actually get a goal out of it. And then it's a 2-1 game with half an hour to go and you can somewhat play more relaxed. So the first 10 to 15 minutes is going to be crucial.
Whisper no or no?
I would put him on. I don't know how it goes in the training ground, all those things, the fitness from Shamar Nicholson as well, how it is the energy, but he definitely has to come on, I think, seeing how, you know, the profile of the game and what is going on and what he's been doing. And I think everybody looking out for him as well out here in the stand. So hopefully we'll see him on the game.
All right, coach. Thank you so much for talking to us. All right, we got a coach, you know, somebody who is a knowledgeable football mind, somebody who is a professional, somebody who is developing our youth at Kingston Football Academy very well. Anyways, people, we can't stay too long because we have more people to see. And then let's go, bro. People, you hear the fans? The fans them talk. And the fans are talking loudly. So I'm excited, man. I nearly drop off for the stands. You get me, as people? Well, I get back and watch the second half now. So stay tuned. Let's hope Jamaica can mount a comeback. People here after the game. Is it an unfortunate result, or are you happy about this 2-2 draw? First and foremost.
Unfortunate result. I thought we gave up 2 soft goals. Haiti is a good counter-attacking team, very fast and physical. And we were not unmarked early in the game, so we gave up 2 easy goals. But as a team, I think we're the better team overall. We never played exceptionally well, but as a team, we would have been the better team. And it's good that we got back 2 goals, because, you know, losing this game would be a travesty.
Yeah, so obviously a lot of people don't like to point fingers, but God gave me 10 to point. So I'm one who likes to point fingers, right? Yeah. Who are you saying is most complicit for the first 2 goals that we can see? Are you blaming any particular person? No.
No, I don't like to blame people in football, because everybody's trying them 100%. Yeah. You understand? But I thought Damian turned over the ball for the second goal. And in the first goal, I think he could have been more positive, because he would have been the last man at that point in time. I think he went soft, and the guy got the better. and one-on-one on the goal.
And what were your thoughts after the first 45 minutes? How were you feeling? Because I know for sure I was dejected and I had given up at that point.
No. I never give up on Jamaica. So the fact is that I thought we were always back in the game. 45, the game is 2 halves. And just before the end of the first half, we got an easy goal. Nicholson should have scored that and would have gone in 2-1. But 45 minutes to go, I think we would have been a better team. I think they would have gotten leg weary, so they couldn't keep that running. And once we got a goal, we would have been back in the game.
Alright, finally, because I know he seemed to be a busy man of places to go. Talk to us about the man at the moment. Talk to us about Jamari Gray.
Exceptional player, man. I think he came and fitted in well. He's a touch player, a lot of vision. He needs people to bounce it with. So I think we have to do some work in the midfield to make sure that we have the type of player that can move the ball with him. But as a player, very comfortable on the football, good finisher, very intelligent.
Is Jamari Gray the man?
Yes.
Yeah, I think right now Jamari Gray is certainly not attacking. In the attacking third, I think Pinnock is an excellent player in centre half. So, we just want to work out the midfield.
First of all, how you feeling? 2-2 draw.
Alright, 2-2 draw. It's a good look still now, because we come back from 2-0, you see me? So a good look.
Who you think was the best player for Jamaica today?
The best player, them alright, Gray.
So he's the man.
Bobby Reid still in Bobby Reid perform well, and I go around. He put on a good.
So, how you did feel when Jamari Gray scored? Like what was going through your mind?
It's a big thing because you did under two love, you see me? That kind of bring everybody back, everybody team spirit back. Yeah, man, they sure to come back in about just one person still, Liam Bailey, man. Need for bench me now.
You think a time for Liam Bailey get dropped right now?
No man, not for drop him, just give him sit back and make the younger man them do and whisper. Them need for. You see me?
So what do you think about Whisper? Do you think he should have started into this game as well?
Yes, he should have started with a better result. Yeah, better result.
Alright, so the next time we're playing in October, right?
Yeah.
We play against, I think, Haiti again and Grenada. What do you think we can do to improve our performances in those upcoming games in October?
Drop Liam Bailey. Alright. We're not a hater, but I best for your country.
If you want, your word. If anything, we just beep it out. First of all, how are you feeling after today's game?
I think that the Reggae Boys, the start of the game a bit poor. We have a midfield problem for the last 2 years. I don't fix it all now. Yeah, man, probably even longer than that still. Yeah. So until we fix the midfield problem, we always have a problem because we can't transition the ball from defense to midfield to forward. The Asian team played well. They came to defend. The goalkeeper, I believe, is man of the match for the Asian side. Yep. We have some work to do. We have some players I don't think should be called back to the side.
But I want to hear some players, because nobody name some players. Some players don't have nobody birth certificate. I want to know them governments. Who are the some players that should not be
Alright, one. Javian Brown, yeah, him kind of look shaky still. Yeah. Very, very shaky. Him play good in the previous probably a year and a half, but right now him kind of look shaky. It's still a side to build on, but I believe that we have a whole heap of opportunity areas to look on as well. So we have to just watch and see how we progress, because the season's still young, yeah?
Alright, so 30 minutes gone in the first half. Jamaica would have been down 2-0. Yeah. What were your thoughts at that particular moment? Because I know mine were not pretty at all.
Well, to be honest with you, I would expect us to win 4-2, because based off how the side construct, I never expect us to lose. Because I still believe that we have a decent enough side to win in terms of the attacking talents that we have. But until we fix the midfield problem, we can confidently expect Jamaica to score goals every single time they play a game.
You speak about the midfield. Do you see any possible candidates to bolster our midfield out there that's not in the national team right now?
Honestly, I don't really know the rest of the team, so I don't know who out there. But what I know, I have to go find someone in England who have them grandfather with a birth paper who come from Jamaica and bring them to the side. You understand?
Managing to come back and score 2 goals, right? At the end of the day, we get something instead of nothing. How did you feel when, of course, Demar Gray managed to get that goal to bring us back in the game?
To be honest with you, I wasn't really worried about coming back. I was more worried in terms of how long the coach will take to make a change. Because based on how I see the side playing, I know that it was possible for us to come back from a deficit and even win the game. But a draw is better than a loss, so we work with it, alright?
You said the Haitian goalkeeper, the man of the match. I concur, but from the Jamaican standpoint, who do you think was our man of the match today?
Man of the match for Jamaica. I think Pinnock played well. That's the centre half, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, him play well. I think, given the fact that we go down because of 2 defensive laps in the 30 minutes, I think that Pinnock they kind of give us some chance, you know, for really get the team confident and going. But we still have a midfield problem. So that's the big problem there for me.
Yeah, man, you know, so we feel great after a 2-0 deficit and come back. You see me? Would have liked the clincher, but it never worked that way, but we're still grateful.
Who are your man of the match?
Well, my man of the match. Yeah. Jano, that's a tough one, because all of the Jamaican them work hard, but we'd have got Andre Blake still.
Andre Blake, as in
make some pivotal saves.
Yeah. So what about Demar Gray scoring yet another goal for the national team? How do you feel about his introduction to the program?
Well, his introduction has shown his quality and how quality can influence the team. You know what I mean? The introduction of Demar Gray has definitely brought Jamaica to the forefront in CONCACAF, at least.
Yeah, for sure.
You know what I say?
And talk to us about the weak points. Like, where do you think we went wrong in conceding these first 2 goals?
You know, I can't speak on that because I came in the second half. When the second half started.
So basically, what you try to say, you will bring the good vibes.
You know I go on. So I came in the second half, so I can't talk on that.
And then in October, we'll play 2 more games. What do you think we have to do to improve to get good results in October?
You know, so that's chemistry. We need more chemistry. I don't see nothing else but more chemistry. And Bowser, I need more from you because you're a big striker. I'm a fan of Bowser, Shamar Nicholson. We need more from you. Yeah.
The man look right into the camera and said, alright, thanks for talking to us.
Yeah, man, give thanks for life. Brother.
And we want to hear what the women have to say, so we have 2 beautiful women right here.
Win, lose or draw.
How you feel about today's performance? Can you just tell me say you're not happy?
I come late. I come late still, but the man them fight back. So I'm happy for you draw, because we couldn't take a lose.
So when you had just came, the 2 goals them there already scored?
Yes, we never see them go.
Also basically I say you bring the good vibes and energy.
I would have win.
Alright, so who do you think was the best player for Jamaica today based on what you saw?
Gray.
Demar Gray, and you?
Yeah.
Same way?
So I will not left out Blake.
Andre Blake.
The brick wall. Yeah.
So Jamaica, obviously we're not happy about the draw, but we managed to come back in the game, right? Yeah. We have 2 more games in October. Just tell me real quick what you think we for do in them 2 games in order to get a good result. Let me hear what you think.
Start up in man, we need to start. So man need to go up on the field.
The coach need lessons.
Tell me one of them. I want to know one of the people them.
Have a good night.
But more asking a question, ladies. The reggae girls play in a few weeks. And I got about next week Friday. See it at that now. People, come out and watch the reggae girls. Anyway.